Hey everyone, it's the Excellent Dude again with another Excel how-to video. In this quick video, I'll show you how to use slicers to make filtering your data much easier. If you want to learn more about Excel, please consider subscribing and clicking on notifications to be notified when I release new videos. Alright, let's get started. I have some sample data that we will use. First, we must make sure the data is set up in table form. To do this, make sure you have a cell in the data selected, and then we can either click Ctrl+T and then click Enter, or we can go into the Insert tab and click on the Table button. You'll notice that I'm now automatically in the Design tab. Depending on your version of Excel, this may not happen. If not, you can go to the Insert tab, and on the right of the ribbon you'll see Slicer. In either case, once you click on the Slicer button, you'll see all the slicer options available to you based on your data table. For this one, let's check Year, Country, and Region, and then click OK. We now have 3 slicers available to us. I'm going to move them over to the right so we can see our table. Now let's select the year 2016. So now the only results showing in the table are for the year 2016, and you'll notice the other year values in the slicer are showing in white. Next, I'll select Canada in the Country slider. You'll notice that the table now only shows data from the year 2016 for Canada. You'll also notice in the Region slicer that the US states are no longer available as a choice because we selected Canada. We can now switch to the USA, and now the Region slicer shows the US states. Now what if we want to show all the years again? The natural tendency would be to click on the 2016 to unselect it, however that doesn't work. You'll have to click on the Unfilter icon at the top right of the slicer. That's it. Slicers are a really great and easy way to make your data easier to navigate. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you find my videos informative, please give this video a thumbs up. If you like learning about Excel, please consider subscribing and clicking the notification icon to be notified when I release new videos. Thanks again and have an excellent day.